What's going on, everybody? The good news is you don't really need to waste propane or have a refrigerator here in North Dakota this time of year. Just keeping my beer outside, saving the propane. That's some tasty snow. Not sure what's going to show up, but I'm going to show you what's going on outside right now anyway. Yeah, there's Scott and Terry in their truck camper, and Aj is over there. It is sticking, guys. So, yeah, I'm just, nah. It's a Netflix and cuddle with Jack's kind of night until tomorrow. I don't know. It may all be gone by tomorrow morning. I don't know. I'll cut back in later, though. Well, good morning, guys. All of that snow that happened overnight accumulated to just about an inch left the next morning. Of course, with the snow comes temperatures that actually did not even go under freezing last night. So the cloud cover and snowfall was actually a blessing in disguise. It wasn't very cold last night. But looking ahead right now, weather-wise, this time of year, when the highs don't even hit 40 and the lows are all freezing, it's just not my cup of tea, really. So we're gonna be changing that pretty soon. Yes, I do have a Stye on my eyelid. I'm gonna get that taken care of here probably today as we go into another town, hopefully. But yeah. Hey, and see now, just an hour later, it's 9 a.m. There's almost no snow anywhere here, so let's walk down to the water real quick. Kind of a strange sight for a lake. That's not snow. It's not ice. It's just bubbles. I don't know. I don't know what causes that. There must be some kind of chemical in the water that creates all of these bubbles. Huh. Okay then. Eerie fog out there. Alright, we'll get on the road here in a bit, guys. Well, we're kind of all on different schedules here at Moon Lake. I want to get on the road because I have things I've got to do. Yeah, that's the plan. It's hard to show you what's going on with both eyes are actually infected, and I've got a Stye, not sure if you can see on the bottom of my eyelid right there, that is just killing me. So I'm gonna get out of here. I might go look for this boric acid stuff or just a Stye cream or something. I gotta get on top of this. And I may even need a prescription or something. But anyway, I'm heading out and I will meet everybody in Fargo later this afternoon. Well, 3,000 miles, no issues. And now my check engine light just came on here. Three codes. This light just came on. How can there be three? P0140. O2 sensor circuit, no activity detected, bank 1, sensor 2. P0175, system 2, rich, bank 2. That's come back before. And P1133, manufacturer control. That's O2 sensor 2. I don't know. I feel like all three of those codes could all just popped up. See, that's the thing with those O2 sensors. It's turning into something. I mean, they're $100 a pop. I got 4 of them, 2 upstream, 2 downstream, and they go out. Even when I buy OEM, they go out every 3 months. I mean, that is just ridiculous, Chevy. I don't need to replace them right this second. It's just. Today is not a good day. My eye hurts so bad. Yeah, I'm going to be taking a little bit of North Dakota with me here. This is why I don't understand washing. Like, what's the point? Just wash it once a year, I guess. I can't. Jeez, Yoda is filthy. I made a stop here in Valley City, North Dakota, and we are at Medicine Wheel Park. So we'll go check this out. Okay, so what's a medicine wheel? That's what this is right here. And I read some information that says the Native Americans used these. You can see it says Earth right there. Earth, Venus, Mercury, and the sun is in the middle over there. But it's used for a virtual calendar in a sense. So they could use this map to know, depending on where the sun is setting and certain things, they know what time of year it is and what date it is. This one they've created here in the park, for every 1 foot you take equals scaled 300 million miles. There's Earth, there's Venus, there's Mercury, and there's the sun with a compass. I'm sure there's a lot of math involved with all the lines that intersect depending on where the sun's shade is and how that all works, but they've been doing this for many, many years, so kind of cool that they preserved it. I just stopped at CVS here in Fargo, talked to a pharmacist about it. They don't sell anything over the counter for a Stye. Anything. Nothing. And Terry was talking about picking up some boric acid cream powder stuff. Nobody here no pharmacist here has ever even heard of that. I'm gonna get back with her when she gets into town. I got some of this stuff that's supposed to be generic pain relief for the eyelid, but I don't really know what to do. I don't feel like checking in just to have my eyes looked at, but I mean they're painful and swollen, and that one is really visible on the bottom of my eyelid. I'm gonna try this and see if it has any relief. It wouldn't be that big a deal, except my life is kind of filming for the camera, so both of my eyelids are, holding a camera walk. Anyway, we'll see. I still got an eye for quirky, so gonna walk back a couple blocks and share something I saw. I don't really know what it is yet, but there's a cow on top of the trailer. Okay, it's the Woodchuck Furniture Restoration Company. But they don't just restore furniture, they got all sorts of creatures out here. That's great. Dinosaurs and cows with Christmas lights. Is this Bigfoot? Yeah, steel Bigfoot. I think this is a dinosaur from the Sinclair gas station. More weird stuff. There is a ginormous bull right there on a car trailer. Look at how colorful everything. A bald eagle, a giraffe, a bear, another chicken. Oh, this is just strange. It's everything. It's wood, fiberglass. There's a steel pig right there. Huh. Okie dokie. This is one of the most interesting little I don't know places. Like, there isn't any markings over here. And it looks like they just take the truck out and just pick up any junk they see. Huh. Pretty weird. Okay. Just thought I'd share that with you. I want to mention, though, if you're visiting Fargo, North Dakota, you can't just ignore the fact of the Fargo movie and the Fargo series as well, which is also good, both 2 seasons. I am a Fargo fan. I love that movie. It is hilarious. Coen brothers. I don't know what's going on across the street. There's these weird sprinkled looking, I don't know what you call them, but yeah. Look at that ivy facade. That is just gorgeous. How can you walk past that and not be amazed? This is Broadway Street here in Fargo. And look at this old marquee movie theater. Fargo. It's awesome. Let's go in there. So we're up here on the second story of the Fargo Theater here, and they have a little piece of movie history, you might call it. Marge, chainsaw wood carving the cop from Fargo. Or aptly just named Woodchip Marge from Fargo. That's really good detail there. And there's downstairs. Awesome. At least Fargo has embraced the whole movie theme, the tourist part of it. They actually have a wood chipper outside. It says the wood chipper in Fargo, although this is a stunt double. This is not the real one. The real one is inside the visitor center. Not sure if they're still open, but it has some Facebook links on it for the wood chipper. That's pretty funny, actually. We'll go see if the visitor center's open. Well, I made it just in time. They close at 5 o'clock on the weekdays, and they have some stuff from the movie inside. There is an original screenplay from the Coen brothers, Fargo. Movie poster, homespun murder story. Fargo ear flap hat. The ice scraper from that scene. And then remember this scene towards the end of the movie? Yeah, see that wood chipper? Well, guess what, guys? It's literally here. And look, they preloaded it with a foot and a piece of wood so you can get that iconic shot from the movie right here. Well, that's gonna do it. We are actually going to boondock here at the Home Depot. Terry did some research and said that this one allows it, and it's a little quieter than some of the Walmarts in town. Otherwise, there's no free campgrounds like what we've been doing. But I did get my magnet. I didn't get one last time I was here, so I got a Fargo wood chipper magnet to add to my collection. And from here, although I'm probably still going to see Terry Scott and Nausea before I leave in the morning, I'm doing something different, and they are going to go their way. And I think in my very next video, you guys will find out the big fall trip, although some of you have already guessed it. So, Jackson, I'll see you very, very soon. Bye, guys.